Okay guys, so I just received another parcel with 2 model kits I ordered, and any scale modeler which is as addicted as me knows the feeling and the hype you have when you get a parcel with new kits. Now this is a Clear Prop kit. Clear Prop is a Ukrainian plastic model kit manufacturer. I haven't tried out any kits of them, and this specific kit is from 2019, new tooling from 2019, and according to ModellFan, that's a German magazine for plastic modeling, this one is Model of the Year 2021. Now here, just quickly, we have a glimpse at the versions that it can do. 4 versions, but here on the cover there is another version which I cannot find here. Right, so let's open up the box. Right, fold open. We're gonna check it. The sprues all in one bag. Then in a separate bag I can spot the clear parts and PE parts and something else which I don't know exactly what it is. And on the back side we find the decals. Nice. And it's a nice small colored instruction sheet. Looks very nice, just the first look at it. They work together with AK. So what they recommend is AK paints. Actually, I can put it here. How nice. Just quickly go through the instructions. The instructions are mainly black and white, but they look very detailed. Oh, there's a lot of drilling here. A lot of drilling have to be done. Okay, now it gets interesting. We see the versions. How can you ever do this camo scheme on a 1/72 scale plane? And I think, as from my first look, it's not really a big one, huh? Okay, it's bigger than a Spitfire maybe. Not really, actually. It looks quite small. We'll check it out. And if you do this camo scheme, can you see that? This is crazy, man. I would go crazy. So option 1 is not an option. That looks better, right? Single colored. We're gonna have a look at the sprues, of course. Open the bag. It's sealed. You saw it? It's sealed. I didn't cheat. I did not cheat. Oh, it has a lot of rivets already. Check it out. A lot of rivets. Very nice details. Okay, I mean, these are the wings. Lower surface of the wings. Upper surface of the wings. The details are crazy. The details are crazy and it feels super smooth. Super smooth. Let's check the fuselage. This is like only half of the fuselage, but also it's full of rivets. Very fine rivets. Can you spot the rivets? I hope. Full of rivets, looking very good, looking very nice, looking very nice. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, that's the propeller and the engine. Number 4, that's landing gear and part of the wings, and I think the tail and the rudder. And yeah, checking for flash, I almost forgot because I hardly can see any. That's number 5, which are, I don't know, tanks or bombs, rockets. I have to check that. What is included in the different versions. Okay, Sprues looks top notch, bro. Really very, very nice. But what I'm really interested in is, what is this here? Hold on. These are the clear parts, okay? Unfortunately, one part broke off, but this looks interesting. You see, it's really crystal clear, reflects the light, very, very nice, so it looks really shiny. These windows here are interesting, right? I wonder what they are, what are they for? I want to find out. Now this piece, I don't want to touch it with my hand. That's the main canopy. You maybe can you? I think you can do it with open canopy. Or not. I'm not sure yet. I don't want to say something wrong. How can you ever do this camo scheme on a 1/72 scale plane? Let's put the rest of the canopy back in the bag immediately. So, this is very interesting. This is the decal sheet. Here it almost got damaged. Almost. You know, from the, I don't know, some pressure went on the package. They look nice. They look nice. But as I mentioned before, decals usually always look nice until you start applying them. This bag, this is what I'm interested in. Because I mean, most of the kits give you what we have here, you know? Like some sprues with parts, a decal sheet, the clear parts for the canopy or the windows, and a instruction sheet. This is the specialty. The aftermarket. Stuff you usually buy in the aftermarket. Oh, very nice. The masks. I don't know if you can see anything, but it looks really nice. Deep cuts. Here are some. Here's a little sheet for the instruments. This hard plastic, which you have to place behind the PE parts, which we're gonna check out now. And now I get it, that this is only a piece, it's just to stabilize, it's nothing. I thought, what the hell is this orange thing? Actually, that is what I was most interested in. Anyway, but these are the PE parts. The instruction board, seat belts, some little extras, and a lot of parts I have no idea what they are. Major, I don't know what they are made for. Everything which is down there, I have no idea right now what it is for, but yeah. Okay, I'm really looking forward to do my first clear prop kit. What do you think about clear prop? Do you have any experience? I guess some of you, I'm sure some of you are more experienced than me, and they have already built one or several clear prop models. What were your experiences, especially if someone has built exactly this one, the one I bought? Because actually I wanna try out. I have a plan. I have an exact plan of what I should build and at which time of the year. I'm already behind my schedule a lot, okay, a lot. So it doesn't really matter if I just let this one slip in and act like it was there since the beginning of the year. So that was the quick unbox show of the KI-51 Sonia clear prop scale model in 1/72 scale. It's a advanced model kit. I just want to quickly give you the information. It has 170 parts and 63 photo etch parts. And the measurements of the model will be 128 millimeters in length and 168 millimeters wide. Now the price I paid for this model kit was 35 Swiss francs and 35. This is quite expensive for a 1/72 scale kit, but considering all the parts that are included, which you usually have to buy on the in the aftermarket if you want it, then the price is okay. I mean, it will add up to the almost the same price, I guess. if this would be like around 20 francs and you have to buy all the aftermarket parts. Now, if you're not really into all these PE parts and have the masks already pre-cutted and stuff, then this is maybe not the right thing for you, because it will be too costly and has all this, this extra stuff which you don't really need. What I want to say is, yeah, it's my first clear prop. I never had any model kit of them, any box in my hands or on my desk. If you want to check me out how I build it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell so you'll get a notification when a new video goes online. It might be the first video about the KI-51 build.